So what is the Soul Connection Workshop series all about? Well, it's literally getting you to that namaste place. If you're familiar with the term namaste, what it generally translates as is the divine light in me is able to see and be with the divine light in you. The wonderful thing about that most folks don't really even think about or get to is without the divine light being in me, I would not be able to perceive that in you. So what the Soul Connection Workshop series is all about is getting you to that namaste place, and most importantly, giving you the tools to generate that anytime, anywhere with anyone. You can literally generate a space on a phone call with the person on the other end of the line, or a teleconferencing video call, or sitting around the house, or lighting up the cashier at the grocery store, or the barista at the coffee shop, or being with your partner. There are Soul Connection workshops for parents and their kids, for students and their teachers. It's about connection. There's Soul Connection workshops for individuals, for couples in relationship, couples in any stage of relationship, because who doesn't want to make their relationship better, right? The Soul Connection Workshop series is all about literally connecting at soul level, deeply, powerfully, in that love place, in the place where music comes in, where poetry comes from, where love lives. It's where our spiritual connection with anyone and anything in our life happens. It's all about accessing that place, being free to generate that place, and having access to it anytime, anywhere with anyone.